Dupe, that is. Dupe, that is. Dupe, that is. Dupe.
Look down, you're talking to your highness. Can't see me, I'm the reason for your blindness. They tried this, but I'm too classy for your lines. Got my double cups up, that's the reason that I'm like this, like this, like this, like this.
Because I'm a lady, that's why.
Hey guys, it's Blaize, and this is the new series that I have been hinting at for the year I'm starting this new year, 2018, with a new series. And I wanted to do this, and I've been putting a lot of thought and taking a lot of notes and opinions and stuff from family members and very, very close friends. But I've been trying to keep it kind of on the DL because I just want it to be that much cooler, I guess. But I really wanted to do a series where I find, like, I can go on eBay or Amazon and I can find really, really affordable and amazing dupes. So dupes for Jeffree Star products, Kat Von D products, Anastasia products, Too Faced, Urban Decay, Kylie, you know, any makeup brand, high-end makeup brand that is just too expensive, because as you guys know, if you have been subscribed, this is a budget living and a budget beauty channel. So we're bargain shoppers. We like to have the correct amount and best stuff for as affordable as possible, because not all of us have $400 for a brush set. Kylie, the F is wrong with you?
Who are you?
So this wonderful series is going to be called Dupe, There It Is. Yes, I came up with that idea all on my own, so pat on the back, high five Blaize. And of course, it wouldn't be an It's Blaize video if I didn't already mess up, but it wasn't my fault. Now, I'm not trying to find knockoffs. I'm trying to find dupes, because I don't really support knockoffs, and, you know, I just think it's wrong to, you know, put somebody's name and actually have it, like, there and have it not be what it really is. It just doesn't feel right. But in this case, I really, really love it, and maybe I'll do a lip swatch pit in this video. So the first one, as you can see, I will put everything up here. I went online and I was trying to find a dupe for Kylie Cosmetics lip kits or lip sets. And I found one on eBay for a really good price. I don't remember the price. I will have it up here somewhere. And it didn't say Kylie's name, but it had the same packaging. It just didn't say her name on it, as you guys will be able to see. And they had three options. They had a golden one, the holiday one, and the Valentine's Day one. I picked the holiday one. So I was like, okay, this will be perfect for my first episode of Dupe, There It Is. So I put it in, and it came in the other day, and bitch, it's got Kylie's name everywhere. Nowhere in the description, anywhere. It even says in the description under brand, it says unbranded. So why is Kylie's name on this? Hello? Now, I'm not mad that Kylie's name is on this, because it's like, now I look rich and I'm like, hey, I can afford Kylie Cosmetics. No, I can't. I've got bills to pay. As you can see, I chose the holiday edition. Sorry for the ring light glare. I actually have to put new batteries in it. And these are the beautiful mini liquid matte lipsticks that come with it. And yes, they actually say Kylie's name on it, which just upsets me. That's not what I was looking for. It was, as you can see in the pictures, it was shown like this. Like, it had the silver dripping. It just didn't have her name. But on the actual packaging itself, it does say her name. So this does say that this is the 2016 holiday edition. So we have, right, going from here to last, Ginger, Love Bite, Vixen, Moon, my personal favorite, I think, Angel, and my favorite name, Kristen. What shade of lips are you wearing, Kristen? What? So these are actually really, really amazing. First of all, they smell like brownies, which always makes me happy. But the okay, packaging kills it. Of course, you can see it says Kylie there, which pisses me off, and it does say the name on the bottom, which is good. And these are minis. They are not full sized, but the packaging is really heavy duty. So most of these are just kind of like in the nude range, and a little bit, these two are kind of like, what would you call them? Just like, one's a very darker color, much darker color, and one's just like a very mauve-y purple, almost kind of grayish purple. I love it so much. I tried it on already. So this one is the first one. It is called Ginger. So it is just a nice like mauve-y pinky nude right here. Very, very nice. And I did, like I said, I lip swatched Moon, and it was gorgeous. Like, I absolutely love it. My cat is howling. Your cat howls? My cat barks too, so let me know down in the comments if your cat ever barks. Then the next one we have is Love Bite right here. And this is more of a darker, what would you call this? Like a blush brownie kind of nude right there. I'm really, really horrible at describing colors. If you guys know, if you've been subscribed to me, you'll know that. So if you're not subscribed, do it now, right now. I'm saying, do it now. Then we have Vixen, which is this really nice dark burgundy kind of color, like a brownish burgundy color. And it doesn't just smell like brownies, it smells like brownie batter. You know what I mean? When you're cooking your own brownies, it smells like that. Ah, my favorite one. You guys know I love my mauves and my grays and my purples, and this is just a perfect gray mauve-y purple. So there's Moon right there. And we got, where are we going? We got this pretty one, which is called Angel. These are all very everyday wearable. So this is more of a peachy pink nude right there. More of a pink nude, I would say. So we got that one, and the last one is Kristen, my girl Kristen, which is a nice coral kind of, like a dark corally peachy nude. So those are hand swatches of those colors. So I guess I'm gonna be doing a swatch pit, even though I don't want to ruin my lips more than they already are ruined. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up for me, because this is not gonna be easy. Oh my god, my lips hurt so bad. I instantly regret this. Now, I'm kind of thinking maybe these are the actual Kylie lipsticks, because not only do they feel and, well, not only do they perform like high quality lipsticks, they feel high quality. It's like, so it's 100% matte. They dry completely, but it's not drying. It does not feel dry. It's like a very nice, moussey, velvety consistency that this really does perform and feel like high quality matte liquid lippies. So these get 5 Wicked Little Devils. This is an amazing thing, and I will, if they still have it up listed, I will link down below where you can purchase it. Again, they have the golden version, they have the holiday version, and the Valentine's Day version. These are nice. I like them. Hey, Kristen, on my lips. I see you, girl. So that was it for my very first Dupe There It Is series video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're looking forward to more Dupe There It Is, give this video a big thumbs up and let me know, what dupes do you guys want to see? Is there a certain person or company that you want to see more than others? What did you guys think of these lips? What do you think? Do you think that this is really Kylie, or you know, maybe somebody just bought them in bulks and is now selling them? I don't know why they'd sell them for so cheap if they did that, but will you go and look around and see for yourself? I can't believe how comfortable these are. These are like the most comfortable lipsticks I've ever put on my lips, ever. And I think it's crooked. You know what? I don't care. My lips are, you know, crying for help. Please help me. Send somebody to 5150 Mental Illness Avenue. Thank you very much. I am now going to go and film my last video of the day, which is a mini Hot Topic makeup haul, which I'm so excited about. So if you guys haven't already, please make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button for free monthly beauty giveaways, 100% free, no catch, not sponsored. It goes from my pocket and gives directly to you. I have at least one going on a month. I just filmed my one that I'm going to be doing for January, which is a Morphe palette, so make sure to go and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. So until next time, my wicked ones, stay wicked.